West Brom players Gareth Barry, Johnny Evans, Jake Livermore and Myhill have apologised after a taxi was stolen from outside a fast food restaurant in Barcelona on Thursday. The quartet were interviewed but not arrested by police after the incident, which happened in the early hours of the morning and is being investigated by the Premier League club. "We felt it important we identify ourselves out of respect for teammates who otherwise could be implicated by association," they said in a statement. West Brom and Northern Ireland defender Evans 30, former England midfielder Barry 36, England international Livermore 28, and reserve goalkeeper Myhill 35, said they wanted to apologise for breaking the curfew and for the events which have been the subject of widespread and negative publicity. Mossos d'Esquadra, the Catalan regional police force, had told BBC Sport the 4 players involved wanted to go out in Barcelona, but found everything closed, so took a taxi to a fast food restaurant. When they left, at approximately 5:30, it is alleged they took the taxi and drove back to their hotel, without the driver. Police were alerted by the hotel and taxi driver, who was reunited with his vehicle at about 8 o'clock. Baggies boss Alan Pardew said the players involved had broken a midnight curfew, adding it was unacceptable and he felt a bit let down. "Media playback is not supported on this device. It wasn't what we wanted," he said. "We've gone there to try to get ourselves ready and up for the run-in, and this is obviously not ideal." West Brom, who are bottom of the Premier League, have won just one of their past 25 league matches. They host Southampton in the FA Cup at 1500 hours GMT on Saturday. A players added, "We would like to assure our supporters that this incident does not reflect the determination and resolve we possess to do all we can to recover a difficult season." The club said it had instigated its own investigation into the incident and said the players will be subject to the full rigors of our internal disciplinary procedures. It said it would not comment any further on the incident until the investigation is over. BBC Sport's Simon Stone: "These truly are troubling times at West Brom. Bottom of the Premier League and 7 points from safety. Owner Coach One Knight took the decision on Tuesday to sack his chairman and chief executive. The men responsible for the football side were untouched by Lie's actions. Yet within hours, 4 senior players, in West Brom's own words, were completely disregarding a curfew imposed by their manager." If the key football man cannot control his most experienced players' behaviour in this situation, it is difficult to envisage any outcome to this season other than West Brom being relegated.